All right, hi guys. So I thought I would share with you on the days that I do wear makeup, which is very rare, how can I get ready, and it's just super simple, not a lot of product. One, I barely wear makeup, and then when I do, I don't want all this product on my face. So it's very simple, very minimal, and it's kind of like my everyday look, I guess you could say. Zoe's right here, so if you hear any interruptions or squealing, it is her. Okay, so first I'm gonna put on some foundation. I'm not getting paid by any of these products. These are just some of the products that I like and work well with my skin. So I'm going to put on this one. This is what I use. Again, I'm not like an expert. And I like to use the sponge, the flat edge. So I put this on first, and then I put on my eye concealer. Whoa. No, not for you. And it's been a while since I put on makeup, so let's see how this. Now I'm gonna put on some eye concealer. This is the one that I like. And I like the lighter under my eye just to give it more, I don't know, looks like I'm a little bit more awake and I don't have like those dark bags or circles under my eyes. So that's why I use the lighter, and this is the ivory one. And I got all of these at Target when it was open. So if I run out, I'll just have to order more on Amazon or in Target. Excuse me. 1 minute. She's being a diva lately. And I just do just a little bit under here. And then I use this one, the little end, to get under really good. And then on my eyelid as well. So sorry, I'm gonna have to look in the mirror. But just kind of like dab and swipe. So I gotta get it all over. And yeah, this is mom life. So yeah, she's been a little diva. She's into dresses. Hang on. And here, you can have that one.
No.
Okay. And
Oh.
here, pretty.
No.
Okay. And I did her hair yesterday. I braided it. Can you show them your hair? Look in here.
No.
See your hair?
No.
So she wanted it to look like Anna and Elsa hair, the braids. So I did that yesterday and she loved it. And then went to put her to bed last night and she didn't want her hair out. And honestly, I'm gonna pick and choose my battles, and I'm not gonna have her scream and fight about her hair right before bed. So, okay. So see how much it brightens your eyes and it gets rid of like the bags. So that's why I like the really lighter concealer, and that was the ivory color. Okay, so I don't put blush on. I don't like contour my face. I don't do anything like that. That's not me. I'm not into that. I like simple. So I'm using this powder just so I don't look so oily, and it kind of like evens everything out. She's showing you her chapstick. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, pretty. All right, I'm gonna do eyes next. I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. Yes, once in a while, if I don't have any makeup on my face, but I want to look a little bit more awake and put together, I'll do my eyebrows and my mascara. So if you see me and you're like, oh, you look great, that's probably just what it is. It's just the eye stuff. So let me get my eye stuff. Okay, so again, I got these at Target. This is the e.l.f. brand. So I got this eyebrow brush. So it has this end so I can apply the shadow, and then this end to comb it out and make it look nice. And then this is what I'll be using. And I use this one because it kind of just, because I have dark eyebrows and obviously dark hair. My roots look terrible. But, so this is what I use. I just do a little bit and kind of brush it in, and then I'll kind of comb it out and shape it and make it look nice. But that's it. You guys don't have to use anything fancy. Use eyeshadow. That's what I do, and it turns out pretty good. So I'm gonna have to do it in the mirror though, so it looks kind of decent. Okay, so I got that one, and all I did, I got just a little bit. I kind of put it in and then brushed it out and shaped my eyebrow, and that's it. So now I'm gonna go do this one, and then I'll be done with my eyebrows. So, okay, so the eyebrows are done. And now with this same one, I'm gonna do the little bit of the gray glitter for my eyelid, and I'm just gonna use my finger. Again, super simple. I don't like a whole lot of products, so I just put it on my finger, rub it in to my eyelid, and it's just a little bit of a shimmer, again, to kind of brighten up your eyes. I prefer not that you don't use that one. Oh, okay, she got it open. Okay, hang on. Not that one. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Okay, so the eyelid is done, and now I'm gonna put some mascara on and call it good. Let me show you my favorite one. Oh, I don't have it rubbed off. Okay, so this is a waterproof one, but this is a non-waterproof one, but there's no label on it. So it's the same thing. This is the waterproof one. Okay, here, can you do this one?
No.
Well, you're kind of in my way. Here, do that one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I like this one because it has like a primer on it to really get the lashes set, and it separates them and kind of lifts them at the same time. So again, I have no mascara on, nothing. So this is the primer that you're gonna put on first, and then you're gonna apply the mascara. Okay. Okay, so it's on, and all you're gonna do is, I'm not gonna actually do it, but you're gonna put the brush in, and you're gonna put it in and wiggle it up so you get into every little eyelash. So now I'm gonna put the mascara part on, and it'll look a lot different. So, and that has nothing. So it's really, really good. It separates them all and lifts it up so that it makes it look fuller. So that's why I like this one so much. So even if I don't have any makeup on and I have this on, it looks like I'm put together. No, you're not hitting eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So that is it.
That's it.
Yeah. Maybe I'll put this on, but this is just a really light one. Again, I don't like a whole lot of color, or I don't know, I like to do basic and natural. Okay. So that is it. This one is Covergirl. It's like a matte or a melting pout matte. 305 if you want to know the color. But that's what it is. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna have to wash her face when she's done. Okay, so that's it. That's like an everyday, easy look. Not a whole lot of product. It didn't take me that long. I don't contour my face. So it was just foundation first, then that really light eye concealer.
Mine.
Okay, and then this powder. And then I just did a little bit of eyebrows, the little shimmer on my eyelid, and some mascara. Done. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want me to do this again, let me know. If you want me to do a hair tutorial, let me know. Because this one, this hair right here, Took less than 5 minutes to curl. So if you want that one, let me know and I'll make a video on it. All right, ready? Say bye.
Bye.
See